I'll put your pink bag here. Is that good? You need a pencil. All right. So which book should we start with first? You get to decide. All right. The lesson and technique book. Good. I'll move these over here. All right. So why don't we do a little warm up for our bodies? So our little warm up today, Sophie, is going to be scrunching your shoulders up to your ears like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, uncomfortable, and then drop. Yeah, that feels good, doesn't it? Oh my gosh, let's do it one more time. Scrunch, 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 not comfortable, and then drop. Ah, that feels good, doesn't it? Great. So you start here, and then we bring up our arms like this, and we imagine that water is dripping through your fingers, drip, 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 drip. And the count of 3, we're going to drop to our thighs. 1, 2, 3. Good. And then the last step is rolling first with your wrist. Wrist first. Yes, and then off your thighs. And put them right back on. Very good. Nice, nice.